Cardano is worth more than $16 billion on the stock market at the moment. The local token for the group ADA is also becoming more popular because its use cases are growing. Recently, the company announced that it has added a new part to its blockchain that makes it easier to do transactions. The year 2022 has not been a good one for digital currencies. For example, the price of ADA has been between 45 cents and 52 cents for the last week. After reaching a high of 1.60 cents in January, the altcoin started trading at lower levels. Despite the bad market trends at the beginning of spring, Cardano could have come back quickly and kept a positive outlook. Cardano needs to keep getting better and better if it wants to keep being one of the most recognizable digital currencies on the world. If the bears win, the price of ADA could go as high as $1.13. If the giants win, the price of ADA could drop to around 59 cents. If the selling and buying forces are balanced, the price of ADA could be around 75 cents. Cardano's growing popularity and number of developers could help increase the company's share of the market. This would also help improve the company's planned goals. If the market as a whole goes through a possible administrative or financial crisis, the altcoin could drop to around $1.04. Even though the average price of Cardano is still $1.54, it would be important not to get too crazy. 2025, if the company implements an open democratic system, it could affect the price of the altcoin. This could cause it to lose some of its merchants, but over the long term, the price could still reach around $2.61. If Cardano can successfully complete other projects and drives, the price of the digital currency could reach a maximum of $3.49 by 2025. In 2030, experts at a major financial company think that the price of Cardano could go as high as 5.84 cents. They also believe that the currency will continue to grow. ADA cost analysis plan is set to be a regular thing until 2018. Q4 ADA moved in a falling wedge shape to focus on her strengths. The first mixture of 2019 lasted for about 90 days before it broke out of the range of 4 cents. After it broke out of reach by 5 cents, the cost moved about 85% into the 10 cents possible gain costs. The new high knocked down the old huge high, suggested that the negative pattern was over and that the market was now in a positive phase. The moving midpoints pointers showing a bright cross also suggested that PAT Q1 and Q2 2028 could change by 10 cents. High combination came before and made liquidity on the lookout. This liquidity helped the sell that moved and broke the market structure to the disadvantage of hitting an ATL of 1 cent before the sell broke. While it was moving down, it made responses at the all-around checked union zone on NAV 2018, which helped drive the price down to 3 cents. ADA then found support at 3 cents and pushed the price back up to 7 cents. At a stock zone made on July 13, the supply cancelled out the demand and helped the sell drop to 1 cent. The market hit this all-time low on March 20, 2020, and tried hard to buy, but was resisted for a few days. Finally, it made a support zone that is now acting as an obstacle zone. This obstacle zone marked the end of the first quarter of 2020. ACE then drove ADA by 55 to the 5 cents. Possibility will gain value. A similar zone made since now 2019. This zone has gotten the price to respect it whenever it passes this zone. After the price came, it made a bull banner cost going from 8 cents to 9 cents for a very long time. This bull banner is a continuation pattern that shows the price is still going up. The market is just waiting for more interest to build up so it can continue moving toward the potential gain. After retesting 0.070 IPA with a long wick, the bull banner ended in Q2 of 2020, which is a good sign that the price will go up in the next quarter. 2021 Q2, which ended with a bull banner, saw a 51.7% increase that drove the price to 13 cents. Once again, the price combined is a bull banner that took a 21.44 action and jumped to 15 cents. With the above pattern, ADA was worth 755% and a half year from an ATL. The question now is if the purchase will continue or if the bear season will start. The year